If you want to edit photos faster without needing complicated software, then learning how to use Fotor is a great place to start. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from opening your first project to uploading an image, using AI tools, making manual edits, and exporting the final result. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the Fotor homepage in your browser. Once you're there, look for the main dashboard options and click on AI Photo Editor. This is the area where you can start working on your image right away using Fotor's editing tools. If you're following along for the first time, don't worry, this part is very simple. Just open the editor and you'll be brought into the main workspace. Now it's time to upload your image. In the center of the canvas, you'll see a green Upload Image button. Click that button and select the file you want to edit from your computer. You can also drag and drop your image directly into the workspace if that's easier. If you want to work with more than one file, Fotor also lets you upload images to the tray on the bottom right panel, which is really useful if you're editing multiple pictures for a project or content batch. Once your image is loaded, you can start using Fotor's AI tools. On the far left sidebar menu, click AI Tools. This is where some of the most powerful features are located, and it's one of the reasons people like using Fotor for quick edits. If you want to improve the overall quality of your image, choose One Tap Enhance or AI Upscaler. These tools are great when you want a sharper, cleaner, more polished look without manually adjusting every detail. If your goal is to remove a background, click BG Remover. Fotor will automatically detect the background and remove it for you, which is especially useful for product photos, profile images, thumbnails, and social media graphics. If there's an object in your image that you don't want, the Magic Eraser tool can help you remove it quickly. Just select the unwanted item and let the tool clean it up for you. And if you need to change the composition of your image, use AI Expand to extend the borders, or AI Replace to swap out elements in the photo. After using the AI tools, you may want to fine-tune the image manually. To do that, click Adjust on the far left menu. Here, you can change brightness, contrast, and saturation to get the exact look you want. This is a helpful step because AI edits are powerful, but manual adjustments can make your image feel much more balanced and professional. You can also add text to your image. Click text on the left menu if you want to include titles, captions, labels, or callouts. This is perfect for tutorials, thumbnails, marketing graphics, or anything that needs a message on the image itself. If you want to highlight important parts of the picture, click Elements and add arrows, shapes, or icons to draw attention to specific areas. That can really help when you're making content that needs to be clear and visually engaging. Below the canvas, you'll also find quick tools. These include options like Add Text to Photo, Curves, and HSL, which are great for fast adjustments when you don't want to dig through every menu. These tools give you another layer of control so you can quickly polish the image and make it match your style. When you're happy with your edit, it's time to export the final image. At the top center bar above the canvas, click Download. Then choose the file format you want, such as JPG or PNG, and select your quality settings. After that, click Download again to save the finished file to your computer. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Fotor from start to finish. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.